want it centered at this point because that's where you're holding it when the cylinder comes down. Okay. So if we take a vial, we should be able to. Sorry.
No, it's
I'm in your way. Yeah, so we'll loosen this. Can you set them up with a stopper and a
So, but for the initial set.
Okay, that looks pretty centered.
Okay.
So at this point, we can turn the power on. And with the power on, of course, it's the cycle. So you can see that it rolled it, but it probably could go a little tighter. So what we can do is adjust this out so you get a little more stroke. That looks really good. We can actually go too far, and I'll show you the results. Wow, this is a forgiving one. Still not good. See, it's really friendly downward.
Yeah.
That's really good. But if we go too far, it'll definitely start to deform. Still not seeing it. Let's take a new one.
So we got a little wiggle room there.
Looks like you got quite a bit because we're starting to come out here. What's the air pressure? 80?
90, should be 90.
Yeah, it's close. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you do have a really forgiving vial. It's hard to tell. What you'll start to see is some buckling right below the flip cap, and
Yeah.
the flip cap might even get tight. I'd say that's probably a little too much. Somewhere in there.
Did you adjust the height by just eyeballing it?
No, I did the
Oh.
by their little witness
Cheat
mark.
sheet?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I'd love to get the
Yeah.
number for the formal. I
Yeah.
think there's some concern that it's going to be prohibitively expensive. We'll see.
Oh, they're not expensive at all.
For what? For real gauge?
Gauges.
No, they're not